What's going on, and welcome to the channel. And today's episode, we're going to be opening up this Fast and Furious Hot Wheels 5-pack, getting that Fast and Furious Toyota Supra out, and we're going to be doing a wheel swap on that. So let's crack this bad boy open and get to work. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Pull out our Toyota Supra. Let's get a look at it real quick, what it looks like before the wheel swap. And here's a look at the wheels we plan on putting on it. Nice set of rims and tires. These are real rider tires. So let's go out to the workshop, drill out our rivets, and come back in and we'll wheel swap it, call it a day. And before I start drilling this out, I will mention that I have in-depth videos on how to drill out a Hot Wheels in the playlist, How to Customize Hot Wheels. I will link the playlist in the description. So if you guys want to learn how to strip the paint off a Hot Wheels, drill them out, all that is listed in that playlist. So let's get to drilling. Our rivets drilled out, we can pop our base off and get access to the axles of the old wheels. We're gonna go inside and pop them out, pop the new ones in. So let's head back inside. All right, so here we got our base, and here we got our new wheels. And what I like to do is take some tweezers with this type of upward angle. I find this the easiest way. You just put them right underneath the axle and they'll pop right out like so. And boom. So now all we gotta do is get our new wheels, line them up, and pop them in like so. There we go. Now we have some rubber tires on our base. And you can keep these around for another project. They might not be rubber, but they'll come in handy for doing wheel swaps on something else in the future. So definitely keep a hold of these, and you'll find a use for them. So now all we got to do is take our base, line everything back up, and pop them back on. And everything rolls good. So there we go. Wheel swap on the 94 Toyota Supra. These are awesome wheels. And rims. Shout out to DIECAST Boy Wonder. He gave them to me for this Toyota Supra. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for checking it out. I think the outcome of this came out pretty sweet. I like these rims and tires. And it was a easy wheel swap. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.